I can never.
Very familiar with Jayanagar. Many times. How do you rate the sambar? That is what I go there for. Yeah. Here is something for you to figure. Look at the crowd. This is after 9 a.m. on a weekday. And now there actually is a line for picking up dosas. They have different counters. People are actually eating while they are waiting. Check this out, there's a line. Thickness is that of a Karnataka dosa. Beautiful, crisp. So that's the large dishwasher. After it gets rinsed, it gets put in the dishwasher and sterilized. While there is part of the kitchen. Those are the large grinders. The basic first grinding happens through the chute. Comes out. That's essentially for making the batter for vadas and dosas. Can't enough number of tables, so you got to keep the food in your hand and to be able to eat somehow. What always startles you in most of these places is the level of hygiene. I shared the history with a friend. That's what it looks like. Lovely glob of suji and sugar. The crowd grows. The line for dosa is constant. Crowd on the other side, still going strong. As you can see there. Is my current line to be able to pay for coffee while it has already started drizzling a little bit. But one's got to wait. If you want some food for takeaway, you need to understand one, that you got to pay here separately, and second, you need to bring your own containers. The food really is worth taking back home.
They come out of the counter.
Yeah.
Then obviously, place your order on connect the stuff with you. And they're very fast.
Rapid.
You guys will come to your desk and order. Now you can't move.
So Kharabad here is a little different, not the glob that upma looks like. Yes. It's more liquidy, and it's not shaped like a bowl either. Good coffee, sorry. Strong ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎರಡು strong. That's our stronger coffee coming in. There you go. That one. The coffee is pretty nice, but the thing is, it's outsourced. So it comes from quotas, as you can see there. No place to stand there and have a cup of coffee anymore. The coffee itself looks like that. It's a very small gulp, unfortunately, for a coffee which is very nice.